This video and all content on this channel is performed by a pest control professional, and it is always recommended to hire a pest control pro in your area to perform any pest control in or outside your home. Pesticides can harm you and your loved ones. Anyone who is performing the information in this video is doing so at their own risk. If you decide to try the info provided in this video, please always check with the local laws in your area and read the labels of any product you use. The label is the law.
Good eye, mate. So, today, we've got to take care of a yellow jacket nest. Yellow jackets are little hornets. They love to go down into the ground. They make holes in the ground, and then one day, you'll be mowing the yard, and you'll mow right over a nest of them. They'll come up your pant leg, and they'll sting you on the kangaroo. And you gotta be really careful. So, we're gonna take care of this hive so that the owner of this house and his kids, as they play out in the yard, don't get stung. So, let's go. When dealing with a hornet nest, personally, I like to use a duster, just like this. You fill it about halfway full of dust, like that. So then, when you shake it up like that, you'll get a nice little bit of a cloud in there, and you turn it upside down. This is really important. So when you turn it upside down, it makes that cloud of dust inside your duster, and when you slowly puff it out, it just makes a little bit of dust, just like that. But when you do it inside the hive, it fills the whole hive full of that dust. And as the bees start coming back, or the hornets start coming back to the hive in the evening, they all travel through that dust. And because they got furry little bodies, it sticks to them like a powdery, dusty kamikaze. And they go down in that hole in the ground, they spread it all around, and they eliminate the whole hive. So let's show you how it's done. All right, so you gotta approach them nice and slow. There's always a couple of bees right there at the entrance, and they want to keep themselves nice and safe. So they guard it. They're like the sentries. They don't want anybody to go in and attack them at all. So they're real safe, and they keep a nice guard out. Now, if one of those bees comes out and stings you, it marks you like a bullseye. It tells the whole rest of the hive, there's the bad guy, let's get him. So, we want to try to get them in the face first with a face full of pesticide. So this is how you go about doing it. You just get up close, you puff, 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 puff full of dust, and then you run like the dickens and you act like you're scared, because you are. And you watch, and you wait, and let's see what happens next. And that's what you want. You want to puff that dust underground and get the whole hive. And yes, they might get angry, they might get mad, but that's how you get rid of them. And usually within 24 hours, they're all gone. They're all eliminated. And there you go. That's how you get rid of a nest of yellow jackets without being stung. So, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and I'll do more for you. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a great day.